Welcome to our channel. If you want to block telemarketing calls on your Sprint phone line to reduce unwanted interruptions, follow these quick steps. Step 1. Open the phone app on your Sprint device and review recent calls to identify telemarketing numbers. Step 2. Tap on the information icon next to the unwanted number and select Block this caller to prevent future calls from that number. Step 3. Visit the Sprint website and log into your account to access additional call blocking features. Step 4. Navigate to the Call Controls section under your account settings to manage blocking preferences. Step 5. Enable Sprint's built-in spam blocking service, which automatically identifies and blocks known spam numbers. Step 6. Download the Sprint Call Screener app from your device's App Store for enhanced telemarketing protection. Step 7. Open the app and follow the setup instructions to enable automatic spam detection and blocking. Step 8. Register your phone number with the National Do Not Call Registry at donotcall.gov to reduce telemarketing calls. Step 9. Report persistent telemarketers to Sprint Customer Service or the FTC for further action. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.